OK. We want to explain Design Features Commands series. Menu, Insert, Design Feature. Let's start with the basic standard 3D models in Siemens NX. Block, cylinder, cone and sphere. OK. Very good. Click and run block command. As you see, block dialog boxes appeared. In type, default is origin and edge lengths. In origin, click and select the origin point. It's selected before automatically. Also, you can drag and move this point in graphic area. OK. Good. In dimensions. In length, in X direction, by default rated 100 mm. Also width and height is specified before by 100 mm. OK the command and you can see the block in graphic area. Also in Part Navigator, you can see the block that added. Right-click and edit parameters, or double-click. OK. In type, change it to 2 points in height. Specify the first point and second point by clicking on graphic area. And in height, write 200 mm. OK the command, you can see the new block in graphic area. OK. Good. Click and run the block command again. Menu, Insert, Design Feature, and Block command. OK. Change the type to 2 points in height. Click and specify the first point, by clicking on graphic area. And click and specify the second point. OK. Good. And height is 100 mm. OK. Now change the Boolean method to subtract. Apply the command and see the new result. OK. Very good. Double-click on Block 2 in Part Navigator and in Dialog box. Change the Boolean method to Unite. And OK the command. Now you can see the new result. OK. That's very good. OK. Again in Menu, Insert, Design Features and run the Cylinder command. In Cylinder dialog box, first type is axis, diameter and height. In axis, specify vector. You can select desired direction, for example z-axis, that's selected by default. And in specify point, default is origin, you can change it to other location, click and do it. OK. In dimensions area, keep the diameter and height value as default. And Boolean is none. OK the command and you can see the cylinder in graphic area. OK. Very good. Double-click on cylinder in Part Navigator and change the type to arc and height. In arc, you can specify the arc that drawn before and complete this command. Test it yourself later, it's very simple. OK. Very good. OK. The next command is cone. Find it from menu and insert. This is simple command and we explained its parameters only. You can test it yourself. Click and run the command, and in cone dialog box, you can see all types of cone. First select diameter and height. Specify the vector, direction, and start point of cone. Then in dimensions, base diameter, top diameter and height by mm. And Boolean that we explained it before. OK, good. Next type is diameter and half angle. You can see its parameters. OK. Base diameter, height and half angle. Top diameter, height and half angle. 2 coaxial arcs. Test its parameters and write optional values to do and complete the all types of cone. Try to do it and test it yourself. OK, very good. And next is sphere. Find it from menu and insert. Click and run the command, in sphere dialog box. First type is center point and diameter. Specify point by default is origin, keep it. And again keep the diameter value and OK the command. You can see the sphere. OK, that's very good. Now in Part Navigator delete the sphere. And click and run the sketch command. Select desired standard plane and now go to sketch environment. Draw a circle in origin and no need to make dimensions. Exit from sketch environment and again run the sphere command from insert menu. Find it and do it. Change the type to arc, and select the circle in graphic area. And OK the command. You can see the new sphere that created in graphic area. OK.